Grace and peace. Welcome to Judah's Word Domestic Violence Awareness Initiative YouTube channel. I'm your host, Apostle Cheryl L. Richardson. We are so grateful that you've taken the time to hang out with us on today. We are committed to igniting hearts, inspiring minds, and safeguarding destinies. We are committed to putting an end to domestic violence. It is a pandemic within a pandemic, and it is ruining lives and changing the trajectory of the lives of those who are embroiled and ensnared in it. And so we're committed to doing our level best to raise awareness. We are committed to crying aloud and sparing not. And we know that there is life on the other side of abuse, and that education and increased awareness is key. Now, I'm going to give you a few minutes to subscribe. If you've not done so already, you look right down here, look right down there, and click on that subscribe button. After you've done that, make sure you click the bell for notifications, and you will receive a notification every time we upload a new video. We upload a new video on our YouTube channel right here every Sunday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time, which is 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Okay, so meet us here every Sunday. Feel free, even as you're watching this video, to share it, like, and comment. Also, we have a closed Facebook group. It is faith-based, and it's called Dominion Over Domestic Violence. If you feel that you could benefit, or you would like to be an encouragement to someone who is experiencing this right now or navigating their journey out of it, then do feel free to send us, a request for membership, okay? And I will review it, and then we'll get back to you, all right? Okay, so today's topic is a continuation of a previous topic. We recently released a video entitled, "All Abuse is Not Physical, All Wounds Are Not Visible." And in that video, we discussed 13 or 14 things that are indicators that abuse is taking place, okay? This video is all abuse is not physical and all wounds are not visible. 10 more things, 10 more indicators, okay? 10 more indicators that abuse is taking place. So let's get to it. Does your partner have outbursts and then shower you with extra attention, extra gifts, a lot of flattery, tell you how amazing, how handsome, how gorgeous you are, how amazing you are, what a great parent you are? Does this tend to occur after an outburst? That is an indicator, okay? Here's another one. After an outburst, does he or she apologize for the behavior? And then they do it all over again. Then they do it again. They start all over again. Okay? Here's the third thing. Are your children being manipulated and weaponized against you? Do your children approach you, and when they speak to you, it's like the abuser comes out, the abuser's words, the abuser's perspective, the abuser's mindset? They're your children, but when they open their mouth, the abuser comes out. Okay? Number 4, are you afraid to express your opinion? You have an opinion, right? You know what it is. It might be about something that's really important, or it might be about something that's just insignificant and ordinary, right? But you have an opinion, and when you're interacting with your partner, you are fearful of expressing your opinion. Definitely a red flag. Okay. Number 5, Are you included in decision making regarding the relationship or the family? Um, any decision making. Are you included? Does your opinion carry any weight? Does it have any value? Okay. Are you included in decision making regarding the relationship or the family unit? Okay. That's important. Number 6. Does one person control the finances? Does one person control the finances? Only one. And if you're the victim, it's not you. Okay. And it doesn't matter if the abuser's working or not working. They control all the finances. If they're not working, they control your finances. Okay. Are you feeling, it's number 7, are you feeling a decreased sense of self-worth despite maybe what you've accomplished at work? Maybe your career is expanding by leaps and bounds. Maybe you have um, obtained advanced degrees or technical degrees. You've accomplished something that you've always wanted to accomplish. You've excelled at work. You've received recognition, but you don't feel valued. You don't feel like the accolades maybe that you get at work. You don't feel like the accolades that you may get from your friends and from loved ones. Okay. Number 8, are you having trouble communicating? Can you communicate with your partner about anything? Does everything always roll over into this ugly, denigrating, your voice doesn't count kind of thing, right? Are you having trouble communicating? And part of this can be that you just are fearful to communicate. You're fearful to share your thoughts. You're fearful of sharing your concerns about anything at all. Okay. Here's another thing that you can look for. Number 9, is there destruction of personal property taking place? Family heirlooms, uh, things that you care about, something that you've just worked on, um, holes being put in the walls, pictures being broken, dishes being thrown. Okay. Is personal property being damaged? Okay. Now, on one hand, a victim may say, well, that's better than them hitting me. It's important for you to understand that they're not that far off. They're not that far from actually hitting you if they're destroying property. And certainly if they're destroying things that they know that you care about. Um, an abuser will destroy things that cannot be replaced just to inflict pain, emotional pain, and anguish on the victim. And then number 10, are your children being used as pawns? Are your children being used as pawns? Are your children being used to bring messages to you, to make suggestions or recommendations to you about how best to get along with your partner? Are they being used as pawns? Okay. Does your child open their mouth and your abusive partner comes out? Whether it's a demanding tone or whether it's a soothing, calming tone, when they interact with you, is it respectful? Is it loving, right? Or are they being used as pawns to manipulate you? Now, as I said, we've talked about 10 more things, 10 additional things that you can look out for. Please know that all abuse is not physical. All abuse is not physical, and all wounds are not visible. All right. You matter. There is life on the other side of abuse. Reach out and get help. Okay. Get help. Get help. Help is out here. Help is out here. We are pulling for you. You are not alone. You stay safe. That's the most important thing. Blessings to you.